Hi, my name is Mia. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the bird. Yes, because I love birds so much, so maybe we can talk about bird. Nothing to describe. I guess so. So today I want to talk about bird ear. Yes, do you know bird have a ear? Yes, because bird we can't see where is bird's ear. Why we want to talk about this one? Because I think some people doesn't know where is the bird's ear. So I want to tell you and thinking, did you know? Yeah, probably not know, right? Maybe you know. I don't know. So, talk about bird's ear. Yes, if you have a bird, can fly the bird. Yeah. So I have a guest, and he can show you know where is the ear. Why he come here recently? I dubbed him. So maybe I can show you guys. See, his name is Loki. Here, can you close see? She ear is here, in eyes down here. Yeah, and there is a hole. I don't know you can see or not see. And the bird have ear, eyes, mouth. No, sorry, no. Yeah, it's just a two hole in she's mouth. Yeah, and wings. She have but not grow up. So, and this is about the bird. And next time, probably say a lot thing about the bird because I really like the bird. Something, if you know a lot more, maybe you can love bird more. I hope so. Because some people afraid bird. I don't know why, but some people does, right? So if you like it, give me a thumbs up. See you soon. Bye. Say bye, baby. Bye. Bye. Have a nice day.